Hey guys, today's lesson will be about speed and velocity. This is part 2 of motion. If you haven't checked out my part 1 of motion, which is about the difference between distance and displacement, please ensure to watch that video so you can have a better understanding of speed and velocity. In this video, I will cover the basics understanding between speed and velocity. I will also be providing you the formulas how to calculate speed and velocity and running through some calculations and examples. So get some pens and papers ready and let's get started. Remember, speed is a scalar quantity. It only has magnitude. Speed in physics is the calculation of how fast an object travels within a period of time. And the other important thing to remember is that the speed cannot be negative. So now we have velocity. Velocity is a vector quantity which consists of magnitude and direction. In physics, velocity is how fast an object travels to reach its final position within a given time. And the last thing to understand is that velocity can be negative. You might be curious why speed can't be negative and velocity can. This is because speed is a scalar quantity. It has no direction. When the velocity is negative, it is stating that the object is traveling the opposite direction. So for example, if traveling east is a positive velocity, then traveling west would be a negative velocity. So let's check out this formula for speed. To calculate the average speed, you will need to know the distance the object traveled over a given time. The abbreviation is S equal d over t. So here's an example. So this is me. My goal is to travel to the bag of money. I need to calculate the speed to get to the bag of money in 3 hours. To get there, I will need to travel 5 km north and 7 km west. The formula for speed again is distance over time. So the distance is 5 plus 7, that's equal to 12 km, and divide by 3, and the answer is 4 km per hour. So that's the average speed. Velocity, on the other hand, the formula is displacement over the given time. So remember, displacement is the distance it takes to travel from the initial position to its final position within the shortest time. For me to travel to the bag of money, I will need to travel northwest. So assume the distance is 8.6 northwest and it takes 2 hours. The calculations for velocity is 8.6 divided by 2, which is 4.3 kilometers per hour northwest. If you found this video is helpful, please share this with your friends and families. Thank you for watching.